Welcome to Nova Scotia Trails and Wild Roots, a channel dedicated to exploring wild herbs, medicinal plants, foraging, and outdoor adventures across Nova Scotia. From rugged woodland trails to quiet forest paths, each adventure blends curiosity, learning, and hands-on exploration of the land. Join me as we discover herbal knowledge rooted in the seasons, learn practical herbal skills, and share tips, stories, and observations gathered on the trail. Whether identifying wild plants, brewing simple herbal teas, or hiking lesser-known trails, this channel is about learning by doing and connecting with nature in a gracious, enjoyable way. If you're curious about medicinal plants, love being outdoors, and want to deepen your relationship with the natural world, you're in the right place. Let's explore Nova Scotia together, one adventure at a time.